what we got there? Yes, I know, guys, the lighting is horrible, but we got a metal wheelbarrow. Just take a peeky peek. Nothing in there, I don't think. So we got a wheelbarrow to grab. I'm laughing. I think everyone contacted everyone and said, you know, it's time to throw these out, because I have found so many of these over the toilet shelves in the last couple days. It's pretty funny, honestly. But another one of those. Show you fast because I wasn't recording because it is dark. I did get a tower, bug zapper, stainless steel sink underneath all that. Just a couple little odds and ends. Whole tote of straps that my husband will probably enjoy. But let's go on to the next. All amount of metal on that, but it's still got metal. There's this, which I think is metal. Nope, that is not metal. There's this, though, that is metal. A bucket full of metal. Metal stakes. We'll take that. That would be a speaker. And yes, I could take it and get all this stuff out of it, the copper, but I'll take that copper spool because that's easy to take out. Another piece of, let's see, I'll at least take the copper spools. Okay. Well, guys, definitely scrap. Charcoal grill at that. A mess. That is a mess. I just breathe all that in. Pass this up until I realized I was about to pass up a grill. We'll take all of it. Making up for a dud of last night. Last night was kind of a dud in our scrapping area. So we're making up for it tonight. We got some chairs. Got a decent bit of metal on them. Easy enough to take this apart. And you know, I'm gonna have plenty of time to take it apart to make this clean. People in the recycling. This is recyclable. No, it's not. Carpet is not recyclable. On to the next. Looks like we got some metal laying out. Not a lot, but there's a little. There's this. There is an umbrella. And there is a rake. We will take the rake too. small amounts, it adds up. I'm trying to let this clean itself out a little bit.